How to make your first contact with the corporate donors. This video is presented by Funds for NGOs. Making your first contact with the corporate donors can be tough and intimidating. The corporate culture differs a lot from the non-profit world. Being able to schedule a meeting with them is a good indication for the potential collaborations or seeking corporate funding or sponsorship for your organization. So here are a few tips to help you prepare for the face-to-face meeting. Your first meeting with a corporate can make you nervous. Don't worry and make sure you go step by step. Make sure you have an appointment with the person you want to meet. Also, try to phone in before going. This small step will help you and the other person also by saving time, preparing the discussion points, and thus will result in fruitful discussion. Preparation for the meeting. Be ready with your homework before the meeting. Be ready with all the things you would like to carry with you, like a PowerPoint presentation about your organization, your work, your cause and what support you are seeking. Do your research. You may want to go for the meeting with high possibility of getting a donation or corporate gift, or other resources. For making sure you achieve this, you would need to understand the company in question. A little bit of research about the company, previous and current social projects it has implemented, if any, can tell you a lot about the corporate. All this will help you in understanding the company and thus will enable you to make your proposition into a business case for them. This can be a win-win situation for both sides. Keep it simple. You do not need to carry bulky documentation, or your reports, audit, etc. to the first meeting unless asked to. Aim to utilize the opportunity of a first meeting to discuss, brainstorm, explore areas of collaboration, understand each other, to arrive at a conclusion towards contributing for a cause together. Although you need to display what your organization does, impact areas and success stories, keep it light and carry a PowerPoint presentation to explain about these. Communicate your impact. Most of the corporate donors do not like to risk their funds, reputation, and time, so most of them like to go for a known, reputed and trusted organization to support and to undertake social projects. You need to communicate how is your non-profit different, what is it that you do and how good you are at it. Show numbers, success stories, narrations, even videos with a master presentation about the organization and the programs. Before asking for donations, you need to communicate why the corporate must be interested in your cause. Take the first small step, aim for the giant leap. There's a funny expression in fundraising, which goes like this: if you ask for money, you get advice, and vice versa, i.e. if you ask for advice, you get money. Make sure you do not come across as just another charity asking for a usual donation, considering the corporate as just another donor. Discussions, brainstorming, analyzing the needs of the community will help you come to a conclusion about how you as a team can work together to bridge the gaps. Working towards cultivating relationships with corporate donors is the key to a successful collaboration and long-term association that hold huge potential for good work for the cause of your organization and the people you support. Like, comment, share and subscribe so you don't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching and sign up to access more grants and resources.